Welcome back. Consumers be aware of adulterated things being sold by the distributors. Controller and legal metrology inspectors raided an electronic goods shop in Poruri and seized material worth 2 lakh rupees. The packing of the material is being replaced with higher price tags.
This is the electronic shop in Poruri. Inspectors of controller and legal metrology raided the shop and seized material worth 2 lakh rupees. The distributor sold goods with different price tags. The material had the original sticker merged on another price tag. That's not all. The manufacturing date and other information was hidden by a rubber stamp pressed on the date. However, the distributor Basavaraj Kittur blames it on the company. He says that the company has violated the norms under the Weights and Measures Act.
आम्ही पुढे कंपनीक जे इन्फॉर्मेशन दितले आणि त्यांना सांगतले की बाबा असे जे अनलिगल ॲक्टिव्हिटीज नॉर्म्सच्या बाहेर जे असतात ते प्रॅक्टिस करू नकात आणि यू सेंड अस द ॲज पर द लिगल मॅटर्स कसे असतात लिगल वे कितें जाय वेट एंड मेजरमेंटाचे कायदे कानून रुल्सा प्रमाणे आणि तशें धाडात आणि आम्ही वी विल फॉरवर्ड दॅट मटेरियल टू द एंड टू सर्व टू द गोवा पीपल.
Original MRP is being smudged and in some case one sticker is being pasted. And in some of the items rubber stamp is put in the place of month and year of manufacturing, which is not allowed from 1st of November 2002. Basically we have received intimation from the DLM just to inspect the violations in the legal metrology act and rules.
So material attached?
Materials are attached, some of them are attached, some are kept in their custody.
Reporter Shamsundar Fatte for Prudent.
Prayag United scored a solitary goal victory over defending champions Dempo Sports Club in the I-League on Friday. Carlos Hernandez scored the all-important goal in the closing stages of the match.
Dempo Sports Club had defeated Prayag United in their home match in December, but the Kolkata outfit looked all set to give Dempo a run for their money in the return fixture. The hosts held the upper hand over Dempo throughout the match.
Rodriguez, still the danger there though. Prayag retaining possession once again. Gurumangi Singh plays the ball forward and the shot on the angle rattles against the woodwork. Hernandez, Costa Rican crowded out but still retains possession. Bomik, Hernandez sweeps the ball out to that far side. CK Vineeth trying to turn away and in the end dispossessed. It's a beautiful ball that though by Bomik, and Vineeth, who's come closest to a goal in the first half, hitting the woodwork of the Dempo goal. Now Hernandez again. A good ball once more. Around with the cross and Lester Fernandez, and it's tipped over the bar brilliantly. Early we saw him hit the wall with a free kick and he's chipped the ball towards the top corner, and Subhashish Roy Chowdhury called into action again. It was a pretty floaty free kick, but it was accurate and the keeper had to do something about it.
Dempo were reduced to 10 men in the 86th minute when defender Debrata Roy was sent off after a double booking. Immediately after that, Prayag found the winning goal from this free kick, with Carlos Hernandez curling the ball past hopelessly flat-footed Subhashish Roy Chowdhury in Dempo goal in the last minute. Bureau Report, Prudent.
If you have missed our bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/PrudentMedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.